Ekitongole kya gavumenti ekikola ku kuwandiisa business ekya Uganda Registration Services Bureau kisabye abantu bonna abalina ebibiina by'obwegassi ebimanyiddwa ennyo nga Myooga nga si bawandiisi bakikole mu bwangu basobole okuyambibwa n'obutataataaganyizibwa. Charles Mudora nga yakulira okuwandiisa business mu kitongole kino agamba nti abo abalina Myooga bonna beetaaga basooke bagiwandiise beewala embeera y'okuwambibwa kwa bizinensi zaabwe mu kiseera kino nga gavumenti erumye n'ogwengulu okununula ssente zaayo ng'eyita mu kwetegereza bizinensi zaabwe.
I would definitely encourage people to register their businesses or companies to formalize, I'll call it to formalize their businesses because one of the major advantages of formalizing is you get access to financial assistance from the different microfinance centers and banks. Basically, if you want to grow your business and expand, you're not going to rely on the little money you have. Definitely, for example, I like using examples, so I'm going to use an example. You've applied for a bid, and then you need to produce more products. Definitely, you will need to get a loan to run and expand your business. And one of the main requirements from the banks is, are you registered? They'll ask you for your certificate of registration. And if you do not register, you'll miss out on these opportunities. And then another one is the bidding. Like I've given an example, if you're a tailor, you can...
Mudora asinzidde mu musomo ogukwata ku Myooga ogutegekeddwa ekitongole kya Microfinance Support Center mu Kampala n'ategeeza ng'okuwandiisa bwe kugenda okutaasa ennyo abali mu bizinensi eziri mu Myooga okutambula obulungi n'okwongera okubayamba nga ebibalo byabwe bimanyiddwa.
Some of these opportunities are missed out by so many of these businesses in Uganda because they are not aware of the benefits and they are actually also not registered. But also it's a form of continuity. Your business grows and continues. Examples of them are Bunnies, the big companies that were registered in years back. They've grown because of continuity and registration. They're able to move from generation to generation. And up to now, as you can see, Bunny Group still exists. So these are the small benefits of registration that people do not know and are not aware of as business people. So we need to move from the informal sector to the formal sector so as to compete and grow as business people, to grow the economy, but even to survive as people.
Mukisa kino Ursb ekyabangula abantu ku nteekateeka y'Emyooga wonna mu ggwanga. Kyebine Noah n'abakoza Zaitun Beg Television.